Today we're doing something super exciting. The first thing I'm going to do now that I set up my space is burn some sage. Love, love, love the smell of it and the smoke. So today is Friday, I believe it's day 18 of the lockdown. I have my sage that I love to burn to cleanse my energy, because girl, it needs to be cleansed. It's April 1st and I'm super excited that it's April 1st because it's like a fresh start and I'm feeling very optimistic. I was just so ready to let go of March. March was just like not a good month, and it just hasn't really been, it wasn't a really good year energetically so far, but I had to change my mindset because I was kind of stuck in a negative, just fearful mentality. And something that I wrote in my journal yesterday, we have to lead with love, not fear. So we have to stay more optimistic, more positive. What are the highest, most positive thoughts possible that you can think that are going to replace the negative thoughts that you might have been thinking?
The entire world is restarting. A new world is being created. I believe life will never be the same again, but I choose to embrace that because there's definitely a message of life, of hope, and peace ahead. I'd like to encourage you to take this downtime to undertake a new journey, to start fresh, to leave toxic people and circumstances behind in the past where they belong. And now more than ever, it's even more important to let go of even yourself, what you've done and accomplished in life in the past, as that sometimes is no longer you, and holding on to that can be pretty hurtful. Let yourself blossom into a new being, the person you are destined to become now, at this point of your life. A lot of us might be feeling as if we lost something, even a sense of control. And yes, our circumstances and situations have drastically changed. But I am inclined to keep my energy vibrating high and reimagine a bright new future after these dark ages. There is so much abundance and love everywhere if you choose to focus consciously on looking for it. So embrace this new normal, make the best of it. Every moment of every day, check in with yourself. How are you feeling? Are these thoughts supporting you and the life that you are in the midst of creating? We have the power to create any reality we choose to, because I've learned that the life experience that I live today is from the direct choices that I made yesterday. So we have so much more power and so much control, so much more control than what we think we have, and we have to really embrace that and tap into it. And of course, flow with the uncertainty. Watch the moments pass without attaching yourself to them, and choose to live a conscious life.
I hope today's video inspired you guys to get your acrylic paints out, your paintbrushes, your canvas, your music, meditation music. Look up tutorials on YouTube or on Pinterest. You're gonna find so many beautiful artists who are sharing step by step how to paint them yourself. So I was really grateful for that. I will link the one that I used down in the info box if you guys want to recreate this yourself. I actually FaceTime with my mom and Wendy, and Wendy's actually gonna buy my mom the whole set, just a canvas, acrylic paint, and paintbrushes. So it's a really great way to spend your time. If you're feeling like there's nothing to do, you're bored, go out there in the sunshine and start painting. It's already the afternoon, so I'm kind of chilly outside. You could definitely paint inside, of course, but I really enjoyed this process, and I'm definitely going to be painting a lot more. Painting with acrylic, super easy. I'm so proud. out. I love this, and I love the color palette. I love how it's like in the moonlight. I love how like it looks like the sky is warped. It could definitely obviously improve in so many different ways, but it's not about perfection. It's about just expressing yourself. Painting is a really great creative outlet, and you're going to be surprised the more that you use that little creative muscle in your brain, the more ideas are going to start flowing into your mind, and the more expressive you'll become. Trust me, I know that firsthand. Anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you in my next vlog.